Dravite Tourmaline. Dravite is a member of the tourmaline family. It's actually the least known stone of all the varieties of tourmaline. The name Dravite comes from the Drava River area, which is the district along the Drava River in Styria, in southeast Austria, where the stone was first identified. This name was first used in 1884 by Gustav de Mag in 1836 to 1927, a professor of mineralogy and petrography at the University of Vienna. Dravite has a hardness suitable for jewelry and can make a stunning faceted gemstone. Dravite is a brittle stone with a vitreous luster and rates a 7 to 7.5 on the hardness scale. It can range from being opaque to transparent. Like other tourmaline family members, Dravite is a high pressure, high temperature mineral. Dravite ranges in color from light to dark brown. Its brown color comes from its high magnesium content as well as its sodium content. Most Dravite is very dark brown in color, but heat treatment is often used to lighten up the color to a more attractive shade. Like other members of the tourmaline family, Dravite shows strong dichroism. Because of this dichroism, it must be cut with the table facet parallel to the length of the crystal, so as to show a lighter, prettier shade of brown. Dravite forms quite large, well-shaped crystals. They can occur as single crystals or as parallel or radiating groups. Dravite is usually given a brilliant or cushion cut. Dravite normally occurs in granite pegmatites or in granites that have undergone metasomarism by boron-bearing fluids. It can also be found in sediments adjacent to these granites and as an accessory mineral in schists and gneisses. Dravite usually occurs as rounded triangular striated crystals or as hexagonal crystals. It's associated with other minerals such as micas, feldspar, and quartz.